Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today I will be showcasing the Iron Chest mod with Optifine because I don't care. So let's go into creative. So yeah, Iron Chest is like upgraded chests that are really good. Like, you would never need double chests
Generator 4 is done.
You would probably only need, like, 2 of these in your house. Never use the dumbest wooden chest in. Oh my god, the dumbest. The luckiest but dumbest spawn ever created.
Alright,
Guys, copy this seed, and you'll spawn in lava, but spawn right next to the village.
I'm gonna run down to generator 3.
Here's Iron Chest.
I'll go do 1, 2, and 3.
Oh god, I didn't know there was that much stuff in it.
Middle robot's coming. I don't know if you can get in, Bri. That's
So
where you gotta put your...
first,
Oh, well, it won't work because we don't have our stats, or the generators up, right?
you start off with the normal chest.
Mike went down. Brian, are you near him? Well, at least you have enough money
guys,
to get
you can go
everything.
into the wiki or something and look at the recipes because I don't really know. Then there is going to be 2 upgrades. Make sure it has a wooden chest on it. So there is Iron Chest upgrade and then Copper Chest.
Wow, that's sick.
So, oh dang it. Oops. You're gonna be wanting to use that one instead of this one. So look at this storage space, and look at this. So then, iron to gold, iron to gold, iron. Oh, that's silver. This is a silver chest. So, silver to gold.
What happened?
You don't want to use the shulker box ones, though.
Alright, I'm taking the last
silver
dude into... I have a dude by me. I'm gonna take him into the lab.
That's not a silver chest.
No, it's fine. As long as it doesn't end the round, it's fine. I got the last dude in the lab, so we're good.
Silver to gold.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Yes,
I was working on the
this is
generator and he
iron.
appeared.
Iron
So
to gold. See? Then gold to diamond.
let me know when that
And then diamond.
goes away.
Diamond to crystal.
I'm right by 1.
So look at all this storage space.
I'm gonna deploy it now, but I got this
It
last dude
goes
on me, so I'm gonna
normal
be
chest.
careful.
Wait. That.
Nah, I mean I'm good. I got it.
That. And then
You can get 2 though if you want.
this is for later. So copper, iron. Oh, wait. Copper, iron, gold, diamond,
Alright, 1 is done.
crystal, and what is obsidian? Obsidian. I think they're both the same.
Nah, I don't know how many.
So yeah. And it also works on shulker boxes.
How do you see that?
The ones that look like a shulker box.
Oh, well then yeah, I guess I did get it.
Or
I don't know.
crystal and obsidian are the same thing.
Is the drone still flying around, bro?
The dirt chest 9,000. How
Well,
to use
be
the
sure.
dirt chest
Do you see it? I
9,000.
don't want to take this guy out of the lab.
Hope you will enjoy many happy years of storing your stacking dirt. Okay.
Alright.
But we barely need that, so we basically need a stack of dirt.
Well, yeah, because we have to
Put that
deploy
in
it
the
once we
chest.
blow up the
It's a
ground.
happy dirt
So
chest
save it
now.
for that.
And if you try using like any other
bottom.
thing?
I think that's me, right?
I'm
Lightning
clicking
staff?
on it, but it won't work.
Which foot is it on?
And let me also show you the shoulder.
I'm by generator 3. I don't know if it's there.
That's magenta iron. Let me take a minute.
Mike, I'm gonna.
Okay, guys. Regular shulker box. This is a copper shulker box.
Yeah.
Silver
I'll do that
shulker
then,
box.
yeah. Well, I mean, it was
Iron
kind of
shulker
pointless at this
box.
point because I use my staff all the time, so I don't really care
Gold
which
shulker
other
box.
gun I have. I mean,
Diamond
I hit
shulker
the box
box.
twice and got 2 shotguns, so I was like,
And then crystal shulker box. Let me also show you a cool thing.
yeah, you're middle.
Oh.
Mike's top. I'm low.
Let me clear out my inventory. With any
Where's the
of
box
these
at?
chests.
Is it still
See,
generator
it's
3?
so cool. Oh, it raises you, yay! And it also does that with
Is that the
these
box moving?
chests, too. So
That's
copper
Mike, yeah.
to silver. That.
Well, you have mule kick, right?
That.
Oh, right, you went down.
So then
Oh,
I
enough
don't
to
know,
hit
you can
twice.
just use these the same way as everything. And the color of the shulker box would stay the same. And the
Pistol.
crystal or obsidian
Well, I'm gonna
chests
get it
are
because
the
it's at
best
least
you can
better than shotgun to shoot the foot.
get. Oh.
Oh yeah, I am, but I'm
Congratulations to
still
the
saying
guy.
I'd rather have the pistol to
and
shoot
don't
the
forget
foot
that
than
this
shotgun.
is the seed. The very helpful
Pistol at least
seed.
works. Another shotgun. I guess I'm gonna keep the pistol.